Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Clara Z and I do videos on luxury handbags and fashion items. So today I have a triple review or unboxing. The first one is a Chanel item and the other two items, they are from Hermes. So let's get started. So the first item is from 21S and it came in this bag. So let's quickly unbox this. So these are a beautiful pair of Chanel earrings. As you can see, this side is gold on the top, CHA, and this one has crystals on the NAL, and this side is in reverse with the crystals on the CHA and gold on the NAL. So I'm going to show you a few modeling shots, and I'm also going to put them on so you can see what they look like. So here is what they look like close up on me. Here is one side with the CHA, NEL, and here is what they look like on the other side. So normally I haven't been shopping as much at Chanel recently, but occasionally I do make an exception for earrings, and I really loved how these earrings looked. So I do own the ones that are slightly larger in the Chanel earrings. However, I like that these were slimmer and slightly longer, and they go really nicely with my long hair. So the next item I wanted to share with you is the Hermes CDC24 bracelet. It is in a size T2. I picked this one mainly because I preferred this one because it was thinner and also because I could stack it with some of my other bracelets. As some of you know, I own the CDC Gold Bracelet and I also have some Cartier Love bracelets, and I'm also wearing the Juste Clou. So I thought this would be good for stacking. I also like that this has slightly less hardware based on what I know. The regular chunky one, it has this on one side and it has something similar to what this looks like on the other side, and there's slightly a bit more hardware. I'm also a little concerned that it could be making a lot of noises, and also it does feel slightly heavier on the arm, so I preferred something that was a bit more wearable day to day, a bit lighter, and hence I picked the CDC 24, and this is in black with the rose gold hardware. So let me show you how it looks on me. So here you see it on my left arm, and this is what it looks like on my left arm by itself. So basically the clasps open by sliding this part down, and then you can lift that because it can go into one of three holes, and I have it on the middle setting here. And if I open that, you can see this is what it looks like on one side, clasp there, and this is what it looks like on the other side. So I thought I would stack it with a few of my other bracelets in case you want to know what it looks like stacked on. So here it is stacked with my Juste Clou, and my Juste Clou is in a yellow gold color. And here I have it stacked with my Cartier Love Bangle. You can see it actually is the cuff. And just to note, this one is also in the Cartier Yellow Gold, and this is in the Hermes Rose Gold. And finally, here is my favorite way to stack the CDC 24 is with my CDC Rose Gold bracelet together. So you can see they are both Hermes Rose Gold, so you can see what they look like stacked together. So the final thing I wanted to share with you are a pair of Hermes flat shoes, and they came in this dust bag, and they are the Hermes Colette Mocassins or Mocassins. I'm not too sure how to pronounce those. So you can see they are in a white leather with the Hermes buckle here. This is what they look like at the front, the side, and the back. Excuse the dirty shoes as I have worn them 2 times already. So I'm just gonna also put a few modeling pictures here so that you can see what they look like. So finally, I'm going to comment a bit on the comfort and the sizing. So I had to pick these up half a size larger. So these are in the size 37 and a half. And in terms of comfort, I've had a chance to wear them twice. So as you know, with the whole pandemic, etc., I haven't been wearing heels as much. And so I've been preferring to wear sneakers. And so I wanted shoes that were comfortable for work, especially flat shoes. And in terms of comfort, I can confirm with you that they are buttery soft and I do highly recommend them. These are definitely a comfortable option. So thank you so much for joining me today in my quick reveal of 3 items that I recently purchased. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. And if you haven't done so already, please feel free to like and subscribe. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Clarazilla. So thanks again for joining me today. I hope you're having a really good week and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye now.